Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to ISDM International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So today we are going to continue with the application problems from exercise 3.4. Okay, so I'm just going to give you show you how to approach these problems. Okay, so let's look at this question, exercise 3.4, question number 2. So a positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So first of all, they're asking you to find what are the numbers, right? So here, let's say that, let the number be x. That's our first assumption. Whatever the question has been asked, we assume that to be x. Then the other number is going to be, see, the first statement over here says a positive number is 5 times the other number. So it's going to be 5 into x, okay, or 5x. Alright, now if 21 is added to both the numbers, so they are saying 21 is added, then the numbers become twice the other new number. So if 21 is added, then the numbers become, see, when you add 21 to the numbers, it's going to be actually x plus 21 and 5x plus 21, right? That's the logical this thing. But then they are saying that what is happening to the numbers? The numbers are actually becoming twice the other new number. Okay, so 5x plus 21 is equals to 2 times x plus 21. Okay, all right, so 5x plus 21 is equals to 2x plus 42, and then you combine the like terms. You just bring the 5x and 2x together, 42 minus 21, and you get 3x is equals to 21, or x is equals to 7. So one number is 7 and the other number is going to be 35. 5 into 7, 35. Okay, so now come to question number 3. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number they are asking? See, whenever you say a 2-digit number, it will have a ones place and a tens place, right? Or units place and tens place. This is the ones place. This is the tens place, right? So first let us assume that the tens place is x. So I'm assuming the tens place to be x and the ones place to be, what are they saying? The sum of 2-digit number is 9. So if I add this and this, it is going to give you 9. So if this is assumed to be x, the other one is going to be 9 minus x, right? Because both added together should give you 9. So now the number is, see, when we write, okay, let me say I have given you 12. Okay, 12 is the number, just for example. So if I want to write 12, will I just say 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is giving you 3, right? So this is wrong. So how do you do it? You take the one at the tens place has to be multiplied by 10. So 10 plus 2. This is what we have learned, no, in first standard, second standard and all, the expansion of numbers. So the same way you're going to do it over here also. So the the number will be actually not just x and 9 minus x. It will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, you can't write 1 and 2 also, because 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, so just 1 and 2 writing like this, it doesn't make sense. So you will have to write it as, expansion, like how we have learned it in our primary class. Okay, so 10x, because x is in the tens place. 9 minus x comes as it is because it's in ones place. Okay, so 10x plus 9 minus x, so 10x minus x gives you 9x plus 9. So now, so when we interchange the digits, what happens? The 9 minus x comes in the tens place and x comes in the ones place, right? Now the number is going to be, you'll have to multiply 10 with the 9 minus x, and x has to be added as it is. Now you multiply 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus x, or 90 minus 9x. Okay, so our original number is 9x plus 9. After interchanging, it's becoming 90 minus 9x. All right, now they are saying the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. The new number is, this is what is our resulting new number after interchanging. So this is, so you write 90 minus 9x is equals to the old number plus 27. Old number is 9. This is your old number, right? 9x plus 9 is your old number. So 9x plus 9 plus 27. So now combine the like terms. So 9x and 9x, and all the numbers I have taken to one side. So you get negative minus 18 this side, you get minus 54 this side. Minus sign can get cancelled, and you get x equals 54 divided by 18, which is 3. So the tens place number is 3, and what will be your unit place number? 6. So you can write it as 36. 36, 36. Or you can, even the number, if you take it as 9x plus 9, if you substitute x as 3, you will get the same 36. Okay, right. All right, now come to question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So we need to find the present ages of Shobo and its mother, right? So Shobo's present age is equals to x years. Let us assume mother's present age is going to be 6x, because it says 6 times Shobo's age. So that's been written. Okay, now 5 years from now, so 5 years hence, Shobo's age is going to be x plus 5, obviously, and mother's, but then we don't need mother's age after 5 years. They are saying Shobo's age 5 years from now, so x plus 5 is equals to, is equals to 1/3 in the sense 1/3 of his mother's present age. So 1/3 is 1/3 times mother's present age is 6x, right? This is the present age we have written, so times 6x. So now 3 2s are 6. So you get x plus 5 is equals to 2x, or 5 is equals to 2x minus x, or 5 is equals to x, or x is equals to 5 years. So Shobo's present age is 5 years and his mother's present age is 6 into 5, which is 30. Okay, so now we'll look at one more question from the from this exercise. Let's look at question number 6. See, there is a narrow rectangular plot. Okay, so we just draw a rectangle, all right, reserved for a school, okay, in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? You need to find, when they say dimension, they are actually asking you to find the length and the breadth. Okay, so now length is to breadth is 11:4. So I taught you earlier, if whenever it says in a ratio, you take a common term to be x. Okay, so we assume the common term to be x, then the length turns out to be 11 into x, but breadth turns out to be 4 into x. Okay, now we have to look at this. They are saying they are actually planning to fence a plot. So when we talk about fencing, we are talking about the surrounding area, right? So it's not the area, it's the perimeter we have to consider here. Okay, so for fencing, we calculate perimeter. So perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 11x plus 4x, or 2 into 15x, or perimeter is equals to 30x. Now they are saying, see, we can go with the table method. They are saying that for every meter it costs rupees 100. So our perimeter, if it is 1 meter, it costs rupees 100. So you just make a table like this, and for 30x, that's the total perimeter, right? How much will it cost? So let's cross it. So it's costing 75,000. That's given in the question. So let's cross multiply. So 75 and the 1 gets multiplied, and 30x and 100 gets multiplied. Put an is equals to sign in between, and you find the x. So you have to isolate the x, move everything to the other side. 30 and 100 are multiplied with the x, so it goes at the bottom when it goes to the other side of the is equals to sign. So 75,000 divided by 30 into 100. See, 1 2 3 zeros. I get all the 3 zeros, and 3 times 25 is 75. So x is equals to 25 meters. Okay, now what was our x? Actually, x was our common term. So our length will be 11 into x, and breadth will be 4 into x. So we do L is equals to 11 into x, 11 into 25, 275 meters. Breadth will be 4 into 25, 100 meters. So these are our dimensions. Okay, so hope you people have followed. Try to solve all the problems in your classwork. Okay, all right, so we'll see you in the next video in next week. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.